Pioneers, it is your girl Tiffany back at you again with another video. And today, you guys, I'm going to be bringing a video to you guys showing you my next kid's birthday party theme. It is dinosaurs. So I'm going to show you guys some of the items that I have bought so far for this theme. So stay tuned to my video. So guys, I found this little Jurassic Park bag. This is going to be for the birthday boy. And I found this dinosaur velvet poster, coloring poster. I thought that was neat. And I found this dino dribble. It's slime, you guys. I thought that would be neat. And over here, I found some little dinosaur stickers that I'm going to put in the party favor bags. Let's see what else. Let's see. I'm going to bring this bag over to my table so I can show you guys what else. But this is the bag. This is the birthday boy's bag. Because he's infatuated with dinosaurs. I found a puzzle, a dinosaur puzzle. Land of Giants. I thought that was neat. Some more Jurassic World dinosaur stickers. These are neat. And what else do I have in this bag? Pop Out Pack. The Trouble with T-Rex. And this is a sticker sheet. It comes with 4 crayons. I thought that would be neat to put in the bag. And I think there's one more thing in this bag. Oh yeah, this is the Dino Dribble. Dino Dribble. And then it has the, where is it? Slime. What is that dinosaur? It has a little dinosaur that's inside the slime. Let's see. I'm just trying to get it. Let's see if I can show you guys. Let me see. Oh, okay. You can't see it all the way, but see that dark thing is there? It's a dinosaur that's included in the slime, you guys. So I thought these are a few things that I thought would be neat to include in this theme. But like I always say, you guys, it's easy to find little inexpensive things to create your theme party. So just wanted to show you guys again. So don't forget to watch out for my videos on this dinosaur thing, you guys. So you guys, I have bought all these dinosaurs. To go with this theme that I'm doing. I even got some packs of little ones here. I got some dinosaur plates I found. In different ones. But you guys, I'm going to be doing this dinosaur theme. And with these, I'm going to be making party favor bags. And what I'm going to have to do is, I wanted some girly looking ones in there, so I found some purple dinosaurs. Like this one right here is purple. But then these right here, you guys, I'm going to spray these. And I'm going to spray them pink, I think. For the girls that are going to be at the party. So, you guys make sure that you stay in tune to my dinosaur theme videos to see what all the different projects that I'm gonna do with this theme. I'm probably gonna make marshmallow pops, you guys, too. Dinosaur theme marshmallow pops. I'm not sure at this time, but I got like almost a week to do it, so I have to hurry up and get going on this project. But every step of the way, I will be showing you guys how you can do these easy DIY and be creative without spending a lot of money on these parties. But like I always say, I will party with you guys next time. And don't forget to subscribe, like, comment on my videos.